I'm in Perth.
I've been contemplating all my time. My thoughts make me tired, just running through my mind.
The idea is today heading up to, well, maybe Kalbarri. Don't know how far into Kalbarri. We shall see. And I really have a flimsy setup. My camera literally is just on a coat, so every bump shifts the coat. Well, it shifts the camera. The thing is, I really have no idea what I'm doing with this vlog. I really have no idea what to do, what to say. I have no idea. But you know, we have the whole day in front of us. We'll make it work somehow.
Run away into your escape. Run away, you're never too far to run. Run away into your escape. Run away.
Talking about stupid ideas, this probably is one of the stupidest I've ever done. But it probably looks good. Now, to be fair, I'm not really into seafood much myself. However, when in Rome, gotta try the local cuisine. I got a little one. Bloody hell, that's good. That's really good. Gotta go down there. So I just met this young fellow over here. What's your name? Jashno, nice to meet you. He's actually a filmmaker as well. So, do you want to tell us what your YouTube channel is?
Jashno1317.
Jashno1317. Be sure to check it out, guys. It's an absolutely stunning place, but also, you know, that's the whole point of traveling, is going to places, seeing incredible things, and you know, meeting pretty cool people, pretty interesting people. Oh, well, it's only day one. Hopefully we'll see a lot more. I believe I've discovered my newest nemesis. Roundabouts. You turn the car one way and then suddenly around and the entire camera just goes, ah! Gotta be a little more careful about those. Pretty handy having a four-wheel drive on these kind of roads. You just feel somewhat secure. You just keep going and going and going. To be fair, mind you, manual four-wheel drives have got two levers here. One is the standard, you know, changing the gears. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, sometimes to 6. And then you've got the various four-wheel drive settings. H2, H4, L4. Haven't used those yet, and from what I've been told, you're going to need them in pretty dicey scenarios. Hopefully we don't encounter too many of those.
A few moments later.
I found some sort of dusty road. Went by it once, but I was like, I've got a four-wheel drive. Let's go check it out. So it's now at this point I'm meant to actually change set the car into 4-wheel drive mode. First time I'm doing this, so so neutral. Alright, we seem to have engaged 4-wheel drive. Whoop! Whoop! Stick to the road. My goodness. This is nothing like beach sand. Just goes to show how much time I've actually spent in a desert. It's like a fine powder. A friend of mine, his name is Tigran. We went exploring a few weeks ago down to Margaret River. That man knows how to have an adventure. Just wherever he wanted to go, that's where he turned the car. Whatever he wanted to check out, that's what he wanted to go and check out. And as I was passing that road, for a moment I thought to myself, oh whatever, okay, just park. We'll just go. But that itchiness in the back of my mind was like, nah, turn around, go back. What's the rush? Some people know how to have an adventure. Others need to learn. I'm still learning. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the quaint little town of Port Denison. Literally just got here about 10 minutes ago, and unfortunately I missed the sunset, but it's still absolutely gorgeous. No, your eyes don't deceive you, there's some sort of fish jumping out of the water. We've covered about 354 kilometers, and I think this is where I'm going to pitch camp for tonight, which is what I'm going to have to try and sort out once I actually have some dinner. But after that, yeah, I'm going to try and see where I can actually camp for tonight. Sure, there's a few places. I mean, preferably if I had this view, wouldn't be so bad.